Morning, guys. It is Tuesday, May 21st, 2019. I am in Camillus, New York. Still got a couple hours before I can deliver. Just kind of looking things over. That coolant level's down again. Yeah, looks like it's a little low. No pressure in there. Huh, okay. It's got to be going somewhere. I'll have to investigate that a little further. I don't see anything on the ground. It does appear to be down just a little bit, though. Everything looks pretty good though, otherwise. Alrighty. Got to change that light out on the back of that trailer. That marker light that was out. So get my tools together and get that done. Alright guys, that's the new light. Getting the shadow here. You can see it's working now, plugged into the wiring. This is the old wires coming from this light. So that's not working at all. So I gotta take this plate off, which I'll do with a crowbar and hammer, knock it off and put the new light in. And to get to the wiring, you gotta, I had to drill out these rivet holes here, and it's just like it was on this one. Just drill them out. Once I get everything back together, I got some screws, and I'll just screw this light back in. I think the reason they do that is so people don't steal them, but when you got to get to the wiring and I don't carry a rivet gun with me, so just put screws back in it. Okay guys, we got empty here at Camillus. I've already slid my tandems. Just gonna check the pins here. Good on that side. We got our light in. That's the new light in. No security plate because I got no way of putting it back on. But I had to go in through like the tail light to get the wiring, so I got screws in there now rather than rivets. So it's not secure. It's not like a security setup now, but everything works the way it's supposed to. Yeah, so we got that done, and we're gonna head back down towards Brenningsville. Gonna stop and take a shower, I believe, in Binghamton. I think that'd be the best time to do it. Because by the time I can make it out to Buckhorn, I would be, it'd be late and it'd probably be crowded. Okay guys, we are rolling on out of here. It's kind of a bad entrance to come out of, but the other one's blocked right now. Because I can't pull up on the tracks, and it's hard to see down to the left there. Looks like I got a spot there. Really don't want to stop on the tracks, guys. Keep her going. That worked out all right.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world distractions, we'll get away. This is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out, die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Be free. Be free with me. Be free. Not looking back. Eyes on the freeway, Bonnie and Clyde, a classic cliche. We're on the run. This is what we waited for. Oh, yeah. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out, die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Be free. Be free with me. Be free. Be free with me. Yeah, let's go. Be free with me. Oh, come on and let's go. Let's be free with me. Yeah, be free. Be free. Be free with me.
All right, guys, we got our shower. Oh, that felt good. Have a nice shower. And we're leaving out of the truck stop here in Binghamton now. It is 10 minutes after 6 p.m. And we should be in Brenningsville about 8:30. I was here at the truck stop about an hour and 10 minutes. I had to wait for a shower, so I wasn't leaving without one. Didn't need to get any fuel because we fueled up last night. We had to stop here and get that marker light to put on this trailer, which we got done up there at Camillus this afternoon. And I see the mud flap bracket is cracked. It's the bar that goes all the way across on the back of the trailer that holds both mud flaps. It's cracked from the frame a little bit, so I put some bungees around it to hold it, and they're going to repair it when I get back down there. There's supposed to be a service truck in the yard tonight fixing all our out-of-service trailers. Hopefully, that'd be good. I think they got us a dedicated maintenance guy now, or take care of the trailer pool. He's not dedicated to that one spot, but he's somebody we can call and have him come in and fix stuff, which is good. We ought to be in Painted Post still by midnight, between midnight and 1. Depends how much I goof off down at Brenningsville. I know my load is ready already, so he already let me know from down there that it was already loaded and ready to go. Anyway, let me get off here because we're gonna get on the highway here, 81 South, and we will catch up with you again down at Brenningsville. Once again, we find ourselves at Brenningsville, guys. And we know the load's ready already, so we shouldn't be here too long. Yeah, we don't need to take a 30-minute break because we stopped at Binghamton for that shower, and that was over an hour. That would count for a 30-minute break. We still got 5 hours and 45 minutes we can work before we would need another 30-minute break, and we're only about less than 4 hours from painted post. So, alrighty, let me get checked in with security here, and we'll get rocking and rolling here. Okay guys, we are parked for the evening here in Painted Post. I want to thank you for joining me here at the Trucker John Show. Glad you could be here. Give me that thumbs up, leave me a comment, and subscribe. Okay guys, take care. We'll see you tomorrow.